Looking for a fun, fast, and safe way to get around? In this video, we're checking out the best electric scooters for teens. These models combine speed, safety, and style, perfect for school runs, weekend rides, and everyday adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. WERHY Electric Scooter. The WERHY electric scooter offers a compelling mix of performance, portability, and safety features, making it a smart option for daily commuters and recreational riders alike. At the heart of the scooter is a powerful 350-watt brushless motor, capable of tackling gentle slopes ranging from 10 to 15 degrees with ease. Whether you're zipping to work or enjoying a leisurely cruise, the scooter's 36-volt 7.8 Ah battery ensures you can travel up to 19 miles on a single 4-hour fast charge. Safety is a clear priority in the design, with a combination of front EABS and rear drum brakes offering reliable stopping power. Additionally, a bright headlight, alert bell, and comprehensive lighting system keep you visible and safe both day and night. The WERHY electric scooter features 3 distinct riding modes: Eco 8 miles per hour, D 11 miles per hour, and Sport 19 miles per hour, allowing riders to choose the speed that best suits their needs and conditions. Cruise control can be activated on straight, clear roads for added comfort and efficiency. Portability is another key advantage with a foldable design that shrinks the scooter down to a compact 42 inches by 20 inches size, making it easy to stow in a car trunk or carry on to public transportation. Solid 8.5-inch tires contribute to a stable and comfortable ride over various surfaces, reducing maintenance worries while providing dependable performance. Assembly is straightforward, with a user-friendly product manual and necessary tools included in the package. Should you require additional support, customer service is readily available. Built with a durable frame and engineered for smooth, effortless riding, the WERHY electric scooter strikes an excellent balance between practicality and enjoyment. Number 2. Gotrax GXLV2 Electric Scooter. The Gotrax GXLV2 electric scooter has earned its place as one of the most popular and trusted models on the market, thanks to its combination of reliability, user-friendly design, and solid performance. With a sturdy all-aluminum alloy frame, UL 2272 certification, and a practical feature set, this scooter is designed with both safety and daily commuting needs in mind. The GXLV2 comes equipped with a 36-volt 5.2 Ah long-life battery, providing a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a maximum range of 9 miles under ideal conditions. This makes it a dependable choice for short daily commutes, campus navigation, or leisurely weekend rides. One standout feature is its anti-flat 8.5-inch inner honeycomb solid tires. Unlike traditional air-filled tires, these require no maintenance, resist punctures, and offer a smoother ride thanks to their extra cushioning. The improved 250-watt motor provides ample torque while maintaining energy efficiency and quiet operation, allowing the scooter to handle up to 220 pounds without compromising speed or stability. The cruise control feature is a welcome addition for longer uninterrupted rides, making it easy to maintain a consistent pace. Portability is a key strength of the Gotrax GXLV2, weighing just 27 pounds and folding down to a compact 43.7 inches by 17.3 inches by 16.1 inches, it's easy to carry upstairs, store in a trunk, or tuck under a desk at work or school. This portability makes it an ideal solution for multi-mode commuters who rely on public transportation for part of their journey. Number 3. Zida Electric Scooter. The Zida electric scooter stands out with its powerful performance, smart safety features, and thoughtful comfort-focused design. Driven by a robust 350-watt motor with a 500-watt peak, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour, making it ideal for quick commutes and recreational rides. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds and a range of 12 to 15 miles per charge, the Zida strikes a practical balance for everyday riders. The scooter also meets strict UL 2272 certification standards, ensuring electrical and fire safety for peace of mind. A major highlight is its multifunctional button console, allowing riders to control the headlight, speed modes, cruise control, and e-horn with ease. Security is enhanced by an integrated electric code lock, providing extra protection when parking in public spaces. Comfort is a key design consideration, with a wide 6.69-inch deck offering 30% more standing room than many competitors, which enhances stability and reduces fatigue on longer rides. The Zida offers 4 riding modes: Push Mode 3 miles per hour, Eco 10 miles per hour, D 15 miles per hour, and Sport 19 miles per hour. This versatility ensures that whether you're navigating crowded streets or cruising on open paths, there's a setting that matches your pace and surroundings. Solid 8.5-inch puncture-proof tires deliver a maintenance-free, smooth ride over various surfaces, with cushioning that rivals airfield alternatives. Number 4. iScooter Electric Scooter. The iScooter electric scooter blends strong performance with modern convenience, offering a well-rounded commuting solution for riders of all levels. Powered by a 500-watt peak motor, the iScooter reaches speeds up to 19 miles per hour and supports a range of 15 miles per charge, making it suitable for daily commutes, campus rides, or casual city cruising. Its lightweight design, at just 27.7 pounds, ensures it's easy to carry and store when not in use. The inclusion of a dedicated app sets the iScooter apart from many competitors. Through the app, riders can monitor speed, battery status, and select ride modes in real time. The LED display on the handlebar also provides immediate access to critical ride information. For added convenience, the app allows you to lock the scooter remotely, enhancing security in public spaces. Comfort and safety have also been prioritized. The 8.5-inch pneumatic tires absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, providing a smooth, stable ride on city streets and paths alike. Safety is further reinforced with a dual braking system that combines an electronic brake and a rear disc brake for quick, reliable stop power. Bright headlights and rear taillights ensure visibility during early morning or late night rides. Portability is another strength of the iScooter. It folds down in just 3 seconds, making it easy to carry upstairs or store in a car trunk. Assembly is hassle-free with all necessary tools and accessories, including a spare inner tube and charger provided in the box. This scooter's combination of robust performance, smart app connectivity, and commuter-friendly design makes it a strong contender for anyone seeking a practical, feature-rich electric scooter for daily use. Number 5. Fifth Wheel V20 Electric Scooter. The Fifth Wheel V20 electric scooter is a high-performance commuter model designed for riders seeking power, comfort, and modern safety features. With a peak 600-watt motor, it reaches a top speed of 18 miles per hour and can handle inclines up to 15%, making it a reliable option for hilly routes and fast urban commutes. Its sturdy frame and 32-pound weight strike a balance between durability and portability, while its foldable design ensures easy storage and transport. A key highlight of the V20 is its advanced safety setup, including anti-fall turn signals for clear lane changes, along with a bright headlight and rear taillight for enhanced visibility during low light rides. The scooter's 10-inch solid tires offer excellent wear resistance and puncture-proof performance, ensuring a worry-free ride over various terrains. The dual braking system, which combines EABS and a mechanical disc brake, ensures responsive, reliable stopping power even when traveling at top speeds. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.